Ascending new peaks, exploring growth and achievement. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the inspiring world of growth and achievements with the phrase, ascending new peaks. This phrase is not just about climbing mountains. It's a powerful metaphor for personal development, overcoming challenges, and achieving success. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily life and conversations. Ascending new peaks is a metaphorical expression that paints a vivid picture of someone climbing up mountains that they have never climbed before. In this context, ascending means to move upward, to rise, or to reach a higher level. Peaks refer to the very top of the mountains, symbolizing the highest possible achievements or goals one can aim for. When we say someone is ascending new peaks, we're talking about their journey to achieve greater success, explore new opportunities, or overcome personal challenges. It's about pushing boundaries, striving for excellence, and not being content with past accomplishments. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from professional growth to personal development. Here are a few examples. A student who continues to excel in their studies and takes on challenging courses is ascending new peaks. An athlete who breaks their own records or competes in new categories is ascending new peaks. A professional who takes on new roles, learns new skills, or achieves remarkable milestones in their career is ascending new peaks. These examples show that ascending new peaks is about setting and achieving higher goals, no matter the field or context. You can use ascending new peaks in both formal and informal settings to describe someone's journey towards achieving something significant. It's a powerful way to motivate others or reflect on your own growth. Here are some tips on using it. In motivational speeches or writings, to inspire others to pursue their goals and not be afraid of challenges. In personal reflections, when journaling or sharing your achievements and goals with friends or mentors. In professional settings, during performance reviews, or when discussing career paths and aspirations. Remember, it's a phrase that conveys optimism, resilience, and the pursuit of excellence. Ascending new peaks is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages continuous growth, exploration, and achievement. Whether you're learning a new language, advancing in your career, or facing personal challenges, remember that every peak you reach opens the door to new horizons. We hope this video inspires you to set your sights high and embark on your own journey of ascending new peaks. Thank you for watching, and keep reaching for those peaks.